Do you want to be a bartender or even just make top-class drinks at home? The world of cocktails and alcohol more generally can be massively overwhelming. Where do you even start? Well, we have to get back to basics. My name is Cara Devine and I have been a cocktail bartender for about 10 years now. I currently manage a cocktail bar and also present a YouTube channel called Behind the Bar, which is dedicated to demystifying all things bar and booze. Together, we will explore the two most crucial aspects of bartending: the building blocks of flavor and the art of being a good host. We'll also take a look at how to master the key classic cocktails you need to know and how to use these as a basis for your own experimentation. I can't wait to share my love of this subject with you, so let's get started.